Well, have been using automation rails since 4 years. We are having a lot of intelligent automations. The new enhanced version is a game changer. We have lots of improvements by extracting data, unstructured data from images to structured data. So with this quality, this accuracy, we are now able to do lots of value. I mean, using generative AI with this data and making the automation more intelligent. Learning curve, I think, is very short. We have started a few hackathons, and in 1 week, we have done almost 40 cases in 1 week. We did it twice. So in 2 weeks, we have almost 80 cases from idea to construction. This is a big value, amazing opportunity to bring value to people that do not have technical skills. Automation will save a lot of time and costs when we change the labor tasks from repetitive and boring things to more intelligent things. We have evaluated other solutions like Microsoft, like SAP. The different thing is that automation can combine different platforms. So we are not limited to just one platform. We can combine most of them, and each one with its proper value. So it brings a lot of value when we have this mix of different technologies and the liberty to scale it in many different processes. Yes, a lot of return on the investment, not only about the automation, but also in the integration with the automation with the intelligence tools like Google and Microsoft and other kind of platforms that we have nowadays. For example, we have an average of more than 30,000 hours saved per year in a medium. It's a big number, as well as a lot of cost reductions related to these solutions.